What is your nervous system built for? It is built for survival. Did you know that the number one job of your brain is to keep you safe? And if it keeps you safe, then what kind of decisions are you making when you're making decisions with your brain? Pop in the chart what you think. What do you think those decisions look like when you're making decisions with the brain? Safe decisions. Yes, Elizabeth. Yes, to keep us safe. So when you're making a choice, a decision, anything in life, where you're not making these decisions from the places that you need to be making them, right? Mainly heart-centered decisions, then what happens is you're making safe decisions, which means that you are really keeping yourself limited to where you could be, okay? So if you're familiar with the nervous system responses, here it is. One of them is fight, right? Where we're fighting to push forward, to control, to defend. The next one is flight, where we overthink, where we avoid, or where we escape. Now, the freeze is where we numb out, where we shut down. And the fawning is where we start to people please or over apologize. Which one do you feel like gets triggered the most in your experience? Put it in the chat. Okay, ego derived, fight, flight, people pleasing. Yes. Perfect. So now that we have this in front of us, let's take a look at how this shows up for us. One of the things that happens when we have a lot of chronic stress is that our hormones get affected. Not just cortisol, but leptin, insulin, thyroid, estrogen, and progesterone. So chronic stress from overcommitting, not sleeping enough, or carrying a big emotional overload can actually cause cycle disruptions in women, right? Whether you have irregular, heavier, lighter, or missed periods. It causes fatigue and energy swings. So think about how much harder it is for the body to recover when your metabolism gets thrown off, whether it's your leptin or your thyroid. Your mood shifts, your poor sleep, your cravings, and worst of all, inflammation, all are warning lights of hormones that are out of sync because of the ongoing nervous system strain. So when the nervous system is stuck in survival mode, the conversation that happens between your hormones can get really scrambled.